How to buy GXChain Token (GXC). Beginner's Guide. What is GXChain? GXChain is a fundamental blockchain for the global data economy, designed to build a trusted data internet of value. Benefiting from DPoS-based graphene underlying architecture, GXChain possesses functions including GID, GVM, BOSS, and BlockCity, which are convenient for application development. GXChain-based dApp BlockCity has reportedly more than 2 million verified users and provides data for other dApps and strategic partners. GXChain launched a decentralized data marketplace and serves hundreds of Chinese enterprises. GXChain team independently developed its mainnet and launched it in June 2017. Based on decentralization, cryptography, and smart token design, GXChain provides a solution for the data economy by developing multiple data modules. Data uploading, storage, computation, and exchange has been gradually realized with many commercialized applications. Currently, GXChain claims to have 2 million verified users in its dApp ecosystem. Recent progress. Continuous iteration of the main chain. GXChain has launched the staking mechanism and updated the voting mechanism from the one-vote multi-vote to one-token one-vote, making each vote of the public chain governance more valuable. Trust node ecosystem. Trust node election has also attracted public trust nodes such as Huobi Pool, Binance Pool, Nodeezy, and South Korea's investment company Hillstone. GXChain staking. One token, one vote. The account can vote for no more than 3 candidate nodes, but each GXC is considered as one vote and can only vote for one node. GXC participating in the voting of public trust nodes will be pledged in their own wallets, and if the assets are transferred out, they will be deemed to be withdrawn. The top 21 nodes with accumulated ticket weights will be automatically elected as public trust nodes. How can you participate in GXChain staking? GXC in BlockCity wallet can vote at public trust nodes through the voting channel of BlockCity. Vote on mobile GXChain wallet and PC wallet. GXC in GXChain mobile wallet and PC wallet can vote for trust nodes. Exchanges. If the user's GXC is in an exchange wallet and the exchange supports GXChain's public trust node voting, this method can be used to vote. Quick guide. How to buy GXC. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy GXC. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find GXC tokens on the following crypto in the video description.